Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Question: which drug acts through GABA receptors? The two alpha subunit of GABA receptors. Alpha subunit of GABA receptors is mainly by benzodiazepines. Benzodiazepines will act on alpha subunit of GABA receptors, whereas barbiturates will act on other sites of alpha receptors. Other sites of GABA receptors. So benzodiazepines acts on alpha subunit of GABA receptors, whereas barbiturates acts on other sites of GABA receptors.
thank you and thank you for watching.